The next great place to look for properties for sale is Facebook Marketplace. So here I am on Google, just did a simple Google search, Facebook Marketplace Phoenix, and first result that comes up is the buy and sell in Phoenix, Arizona Facebook Marketplace link. So let's go ahead and open that up, and we're going to show you some tips on how to use Facebook Marketplace. All right, so starting off, Facebook Marketplace is going to be this huge platform that all kinds of people are posting all kinds of things for sale. So we could just start scrolling down here, and you're going to see furniture and tables and everything else in here, cars. So if you want to find housing, they actually have a category here called home sales. So let's click on that first. And it's going to pull open a bunch of different listings people have posted here in the group. So we can start scrolling through here, looking at different homes that are for sale. You can also use the filters over here to the left side, minimum, maximum price, location, and we can sort by. So if we want to sort by maybe the newest listings, or you can sort by price, so you can do that over there. So again, simple tool. You just scroll through, look at different listings. Let's go ahead and click into this one that is for sale, 3-2 for $55,000. And we're going to see some more information. It's 1,400 square feet. Central AC, gas heating, in-unit laundry. We can scroll down here and see a map view of kind of the rough location of where it is. We can see who the seller is and contact them by clicking on their profile, or we can request, is this still available, and just send them a quick Facebook message on Facebook Messenger. If you want to save it for later, if you want to share it, you can do so as well, and then we can tab through the different photos. All right, so that's a quick overview of the Facebook Marketplace. Pretty straightforward. Just come in here and search keywords in the search bar, or scroll down the page and find the home sales button here to categorize this, so you don't spend hours looking through a bunch of listings of furniture and cars if you're trying to just get down to business and look at houses for sale. All right, on to the next strategy.